Today I want to talk about Grav. Now, a lot of people actually ask me this question about how do I create a website, and I always tell them start with a simple HTML site. I mean, you don't really have to make it too complicated. You don't really have to use WordPress or Drupal. I think having a simple static site is something that you can do in a couple of hours. So start with a simple HTML site, and of course there are advantages when you build a site in HTML, because it is first of all simple. You can host it on GitLab, or you can host it on maybe Netlify, I guess, or of course you can use Bitbucket or GitHub Pages. So there are a lot of options. I use personally GitLab, because you can use your own custom domain with a proper certificate. Now, if you want to do a bit more than a simple HTML site, that of course you may not want to build yourself, and you want some capabilities of CMS. So there are some static site generators which I believe are great, but the problem I have with the static site generators is that they are not really for everyone, to be honest. I mean, you need still some level of I mean, they're not really complicated, but at the same time you need to have some idea about how to manage files with a proper markdown. I mean, you can learn it. I mean, there is nothing that you cannot learn in couple of days, but if you want some CMS based capabilities along with the advantages of a static site generator, then you can take a look at Grav. So Grav is actually a flat file based CMS. So it is a CMS. It runs on PHP, but the good thing is that there is no database. I mean, it's not really a good thing, but it is. I mean, it is a good, because the overall site, if you look at the site itself, it is nothing but just files. So all your content is actually stored in your text files, just like static site generators. But at the same time, you will get, if you want, a proper UI based backend. You don't have to use it. Like I use Grav for a couple of my sites. They are of course not really complicated, but the whole idea of that, or those sites that I think I have a couple of them, is basically to have a place where I can post content, but I don't really want to make it too complicated. I want to keep things simple, and I basically I prefer using a CMS in those cases, because that actually worked really well for me, and also I can give access to other people so they can also add content, and I'm not really expecting them to know all the technicalities. I mean, all I can do is I can ask them to log into the site and add content. That is it. So Grav has this UI, this backend where you can manage your content. It is like any other backend that you get with a proper CMS like Drupal or WordPress, but again, things are stored in nothing but files, text files. So if you want to learn Grav, by the way, I will share a link in this video in the description. I made a video on Grav, like how to get started with Grav very quickly and easily. Of course, you can do it in 5 minutes. The video title says I believe 5 minutes, but I've actually explained each and every bit. So the video is actually roughly, I believe, an hour long. So I hope you will learn quite a lot if you want to learn how to set up a website using Grav. And the only thing which is not, I mean, as compared to the static site generator, as compared to having a simple HTML site, the only thing that you need is a web server. Because I mean, you need a web server anyways, but you need PHP. So you need basically PHP to run Grav, which I believe is not really very difficult if you are maybe using any hosting provider. They all have PHP. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.